In today's show, breaking news, Bitcoin shatters $35,000 with a fresh all-time high, and it doesn't stop there. Also, the Bitcoin network hash rate hits a new high. Also, the crypto market cap hits a new high. Also, the Bitcoin market cap hits a new high of 645 billion. And after nailing Bitcoin's price prediction in 2020, Max Keiser unveils his massive prediction for 2021. That's right, in his latest interview he did with Daniella Cambone of Stansberry Research, quoting Max Keiser, "I'm going with $220,000 per Bitcoin as a 2021 target, and that would bring us up to over a $4 trillion market valuation, which I think is a good 2021 objective." And he continues, "We are going to catch up to gold. That would bring us up to not quite half gold's valuation, but getting close. I think the catalyst is going to be, as I said, a major central bank failing, plus the printing is going to go absolutely way more parabolic. So we're going to see that." And he also reveals his gold and silver price predictions for 2021, which I'll be revealing for you right here in today's show. Also, as Max points out, 36,000 was the hash rate adjusted price I flagged last summer. With hash rate hitting new highs, 2021 target of 220,000 comes into focus. I'll be breaking all this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum are breaking out along with most of the rest of the crypto market. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button, that's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, if interested in purchasing Bitcoin, Swan is the easiest and most affordable way to accumulate BTC and start stacking those sats with automatic reoccurring purchases. You can start your plan today and get $10 of free Bitcoin drop right into your account. So go ahead and do that by clicking the link right down below this video in the description, or visit my direct referral link, which is swanbitcoin.com/crypto news alerts, and start stacking those sats today. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts, and congratulations to all Bitcoin hodlers. Bitcoin just broke out to a new all-time high. Exciting times to be alive. Bitcoin is continuing to set new price records, breaking above 35K for the first time ever on January 5th. And after setting its past record of roughly 34,800 on January 3rd, Bitcoin posted a fast retracement down all the way to 28,000 the following day, but bounced right back. The crash was short-lived, with Bitcoin quickly recovering and pressing into new all-time highs of 35,800 around 4:30 a.m. this morning. Bitcoin has now gained roughly 80% since breaking into new all-time highs on December 16th and is up 22% in the past 7 days. As you can see on this graph right here on your screen, Bitcoin is looking more sexy than ever. This is the 1-hour chart. The new record was posted one day after the U.S. Office of the Controller of the Currency published guidance greenlighting federally chartered banks to use stablecoins as public blockchains for settlement. We also have Ethereum breaking out, up 44% for the week, back above $1,100, and also more record highs as the Bitcoin network hash rate hits a new high. That's right, the Bitcoin price is not the only metric seeing record numbers, as the network hash rate has set a new all-time high. According to data from blockchain.com, the estimated 7-day average Bitcoin hash rate is now at about 148 exahashes per second, as you can see right here on your screen. Now, this figure represents the amount of computing power expended by miners to secure the network every second. And tweeting on January 1st, on-chain analytics data provider Glassnode revealed that Bitcoin recorded its largest average monthly hash rate of 136 exahashes per second in December of 2020, as I pointed out on January 1st right here on Twitter. All-time high, December's hash rate, 136 exahashes per second, was the highest in Bitcoin's history so far. The current hash rate growth is in keeping with the trend observed since the start of November 2020, which coincides with the beginning of the current bullish advance in the Bitcoin spot price. And at the time, the network was recovering from a major hash rate slump occasioned by the seasonal migration of Chinese miners at the end of the Sichuan rainy season. Before the decline, the Bitcoin hash rate was at its previous 7-day average all-time high of about 146 exahashes per second, according to figures from blockchain.com. Now, if the current upward hash rate trajectory persists, then the network will be due for an upward difficulty adjustment of about 10% at the next retargeting epoch, which should happen on Saturday. The hash rate spike is only one example of the continuous improvements in the Bitcoin fundamentals. Other metrics like network usage and activity are also there are on the rise. According to Coin Metrics, the number of Bitcoin active addresses is approaching an all-time high of about 1.19 million, achieved back in the December 2017 bull run. Bitcoin is also continuing its steep price climb since breaching the $10,000 price mark in early October. The largest crypto by market cap briefly set an all-time high this morning of about 35,800. And before I reveal the latest predictions from Max Keiser for 2021, including his Bitcoin price prediction, his gold and silver predictions as well, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see virtually everything is pumping and in the green right now, minus XRP, which has a lawsuit by the SEC, which is causing it to stay stagnant while the rest of the market continues to go parabolic. And the crypto market cap just hit a new all-time high, currently sitting at 945 billion. How long before we breach that $1 trillion mark? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. So yeah, the market cap is up 8.75% for the day, with 150 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance is 68.1%. And checking out the Bitcoin market cap, also at an all-time high, sitting at a whopping $645 billion. Now for the top gainers within the top 100, we have Stellar Lumens going parabolic, up almost 100%, trading at 33.5 cents. We have ADA Cardano up 32%, trading just above 30 cents. We have Avalanche up 16%, trading just under $5. We have 0x up 16.5%, trading above 48 cents. And Icon up almost 16%, trading at 62 cents. Now checking out the biggest losers within the top 100, we have XRP down 2%, trading at 23 cents. And then the rest are all stable coins because virtually everything is currently in the green. Now out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on? Drop me a comment right down below. Now let's check out one of my favorite indicators. It's the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 95 in extreme greed, which is virtually as high as I've ever seen it in the previous years. Yesterday was a 93, last week a 91, and last month a 94. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, like we're witnessing in the market right now, that means the market is due for a correction. But also keep in mind we're in price discovery mode right now, and Bitcoin has no top as fiat has no bottom. It is what it is. All right, now let's break down the latest price predictions from Max Keiser. He tweeted this morning, $36,000 Bitcoin was the hash rate adjusted price I flagged last summer. And he's been calling it for a long time, as he says the Bitcoin price follows the hash rate. And that's precisely what we've been witnessing, with hash rate hitting new highs. 2021 target of $220,000 comes into focus. Now I'm going to give you some of the highlights from this exclusive interview he just did with Daniella Cambone of Stansberry Research. Wall Street veteran and Bitcoin firebrand Max Keiser says he believes Bitcoin will ignite a massive rally this year on the back of the central bank's loose monetary policies. 2 years ago, Keiser made an accurate forecast that Bitcoin would end 2020 trading at around $28,000. Checking out this tweet right here, written on December 27th of 2020. He wrote, $28,000 target from 2 years ago hit. Next short-term target is my hash rate adjusted price of $35,000 hit just today, made last year when Bitcoin hash rate was hitting a new all-time high. Now check this out. Now the Bitcoin bull is back with another year-end prediction. In a new interview with Stansberry Research, Keiser says he expects Bitcoin to surge nearly 550% from its current price of around 34,000 before this year expires. That's right, quoting Max Keiser from this exclusive interview. He says, I'm going with 220,000 per Bitcoin as a 2021 target, and that would bring us up to over a 4 trillion market valuation, which I think is a good 2021 objective. And he continues, we are going to catch up to gold. That would bring us up to not quite half gold's valuation, but getting close. I think the catalyst is going to be, as I said, a major central bank failing, plus the printing is going to go absolutely way more parabolic. So we're going to see that. And he also reveals his target for gold if Bitcoin is at 220,000 in 2021, then gold goes to, and Max responded, gold goes above 3,000. Gold is not going to go away. I'm not in the camp that says Bitcoin is going to demonetize gold. There is a group that says this, but gold is still the primary asset for all central banks and is still the base layer money that runs the global economy and has done so for 100 to 300 years or whatever. All right, and before I break down the rest of Max Keiser's predictions, including his 2021 silver price prediction, first I want to remind remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all 660 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. I also have some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find us on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down the rest of Keiser's predictions. Max is also predicting turmoil in the macro economy. He expects one of the major central banks to collapse in the years ahead. He shares, one of my predictions will be one of the major central banks in the world will collapse in 2021. They are highly leveraged. He continues, these banks are leveraged 50, 60, 70 to 1. One of them is going to collapse in 2021, and that will start an avalanche out with fiat money and paper money, and the top beneficiary of that will be Bitcoin. That's one of the catalysts for Bitcoin's price appreciation in 2021. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree with Max's $220,000 Bitcoin price prediction for 2021. And now let me share with you his silver prediction for 2021. Daniella asked Max, if gold goes to $3,000, where does silver go? And there was a long pause, and then Max responded, I think silver, of course, is going to be well over $100. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree with Max Keiser's predictions on silver, gold, and Bitcoin. Drop me a comment right down below. And to check out this entire exclusive interview between Max Keiser and Daniella Cambone, which I highly recommend watching, be sure to check out the show notes below the video in the description. You can find it, watch it, enjoy, shoot me a tweet. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. Bitcoin shatters 35,000 with a fresh all-time high, touching about 35,800 this morning. Also, the Bitcoin network hash rate hits a new high as the crypto market cap hits a new all-time high, as the Bitcoin market cap hits a new all-time high of 643 billion. You gotta love it. Also in today's show, I shared, after nailing Bitcoin's price in 2020, Max Keiser unveils his massive Bitcoin price prediction for 2021. Quoting him right here, I'm going with 220,000 per Bitcoin as a 2021 target, and that would bring us up to over a 4 trillion market valuation, which I think is a good 2021 objective. And if Bitcoin is at 220K in 2021, then gold goes above $3,000. Gold is not going to go away. I'm not in the camp that says Bitcoin is going to demonetize gold. And if gold goes to $3,000, then where does silver go? Max says, I think silver, of course, is going to be well over $100. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree or disagree with Max Keiser's predictions. Let me know in the comments below. And where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Holla at your boy. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick before I go, if interested in purchasing Bitcoin, Swan is the easiest and most affordable way to accumulate BTC and start stacking those sats with automatic reoccurring purchases. You can start your plan today and get $10 of free Bitcoin drop right into your account. To do so, click the link below this video in the description or visit my direct referral link, which is swanbitcoin.com/crypto news alerts. Go ahead and do that right now, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.